Nagaland laga Mokokchung District Bitor 28 Koridang Assembly Constituency by election laga voting do aju pujor 7 baji ra shuru kurigna sham 4 baji tak lushe kute voters turnout to 82.21% record krise. Koridang di total voters to 22,390 ase. Aro voting do 30 polling stations di lushe. By election day, Choita candidate, PTA consensus candidate, PJB Bra Taucher I Imchin, NPB Bra I Apanchang, Congress Bra T Chalukamba Au, Aro Tinda independent candidates, Imchaduba Imchin, Imtiwapang Kichu, Aro Major retired Tushikapa Bra Hisalushe. Mokokchung Deputy Commissioner, Aro District Election Officer, Ajit Kumar Verma Bra Kushege, polling do Shanti Relushe, Kute Kunba polling stations di Hatsa Olaishe Hulibi Tik Homoide intervene Kurigina, Halatu control the Anishe. Senior Superintendent of Police, Westoprakya Zobra, Chanaishegi Longkum Posti Laga pre-poll violence di 16 June Kirafta Kurigina Taka Uber, Ajibi 2 Jungi Kirafta Kurishe. Itui nahoigna mangmatong pre-poll violence di 1 June Kirafta Kurigina Taka Uber, Aji Dusra Charta Manogi Kirafta Kurilushe. Ajilaga polling kutum habijidi officials kanbra Mokokchung Deputy Commissioner Office di electronic voting machines kan submit kurisha aro idu vote laga kintidu May 4 kuriwo. Election Shanti bra luikna kutum hua upper DC aro senior SP bra Shamil taka sop manugi kushiba chnaishe.
Aji Mokokchung district te 28 Koridang Assembly constituency te by election thagise 30 polling station te ajila by election to peaceful conduct kurise itu namte Mohan district administration para loigina police led by senior SP, all the members of district election machinery, polling personnel, returning officer yaro sab pura milagina as a team balpura काम परा अजीला election तो successfully peacefully conduct हुई itu line te Mohan district administration परा सब stakeholders के धन्यवाद दिवले मना से especially Mohanla tribal society leader Awasendan Mohanlaga itu church leaders Awam and NBCC ताकि सब बड़ा मन दिखना मिलाएगा Mohan की मदद करके itu बड़ा अजीला election तो successfully conduct हुई itu line te incident भी हुई है Mohan timely सब मानुगान के मिलाएगा especially concerned village council under Koridang Assembly Council ताकि बड़ा desired support दिया बड़ा Mohan election तो itu conduct को बोले पारिशे अजीला election दिन ते भी छोटे मोटे issue लाइशे होले भी Mohan सब लगा cooperation और Mohanla force deployment और as per the instruction of guidance of CEO office and DCI अजीला election तो Mohan peacefully conduct को बोले पारिशे. Thank you.
Aji election 28 Koridang Assembly election voting thagise aji bhal rahi khotong kuru parise itu election de 800 police personnel deploy kuruse choto moto incident to thagise bole bi amikan minimal force use korine itu solve kuru parise moi ekta kotha bole mon thaga to itu bar election day kimanjon election day involved kurise led by DC polling officials or security personnel itu gange sob khushi janai dia ase bhal pro cooperation kurigina kotom kuru pagarne aro civil societies abam aro especially the village council takambi sob bhal bra cooperation dia kotom kuru parise itu gange sob ke aro bishi thanks dia ase India cooperation aro police ke bhi de aro future de bhi police kan ke bhi kone itu bhi request kori dia se aro itu longkham incident de amikan pre-poll violence thagise itu time de 16 manu dorigina rakhi ase aro itu amikan la custody de thagigina investigate kore ase aro ajibi duijon thorigina amikan la custody de ase itu investigate kurbo aro justice to victim ke dibole itu bi koi dia ase aro pre-poll violence itu mametong possibility ho jaise tate ekjon thorigine thagise aro ajibi charjon thorigine ami la custody de ase aro manu thurubole khambi ase itu ambi thorigine jabo aro ভালদৰে ইনভেষ্টিগেট কৰি কিনে এইটো বি জাষ্টিছ ডেলিভাৰ কৰিব কোনে এইটো বি কৈ দি আছে